You're gonna find him, yeah?
I will. I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna tell him. What's his He did that on purpose.
Okay, let's. We're gonna talk about this as well in a minute, okay?
I'm sure he slowed down. Definitely watching.
You did slow, 100% you slowed down. I'm not gonna argue with it at all.
Just not enough.
Yes.
There was a zebra crossing there. We could have used it.
Yeah, you go and tell him.
I'll find him.
Now let's talk about that young man over there. Go on, have a look over there. Tell him, what did you say? You're gonna find him, yeah?
I will. I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna tell him. There's a zebra crossing, 3-minute walk from where you was crossing.
So what would you do? Would you wait for the 3-minute crossing, or would you cross as well? Go on, put it in your shoe.
I'd have crossed.
You would have crossed as
Yeah.
well, isn't it? That's it.
And as a learner, I'd have hit him.
Is a human nature, unfortunately. Nobody have time to do that, you know what I mean? What he did is his problem.
He slowed down walking though.
Maybe he slowed down because he realized
He saw
that
the error.
you're not slowing down as much as you're expecting you to do.
Yeah.
Then obviously he feared for his life. So now I'm not denying
He
that you
wanted
did
to
not
claim.
slow down. You did slow down,
Yeah.
but not enough, because
No.
it's better to do that. Yeah.
Mhm.
In your exam, if this has happened,
Is that an instant fail?
if you would have slowed down and stopped that time, because the way he was walking,
Yeah.
let me ask you this question. Did his body behavior tells you that he's stopping into that lane and is letting you go? What his body behavior was telling you that time? Did he show you any consideration that he's going to stay there and he let you go?
No.
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 So his body behavior definitely says no. It's better to slow down and stop. The good thing was you were slowing down early, means if any car behind you,
Yeah.
they know what your intentions are. If you would have stopped, better option. However, yes, if he's walking slowly and he's keep looking at you and is stopping there,
Yeah.
that means carry on safely.
Yeah.
But at that occasion, if this is your test, I'm 100% certain, because you were not slowing down enough and stopping, would have been a serious fault.
Oh, okay. Right. I'll remember that.
Always remember, unfortunately, most of the time, people get failed not because of your bad driving, it's other people's
Yeah,
bad
definitely.
judgment. But remember, it's your test, so you have to do what it takes to be a safe driver.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, let's drive off whenever you're ready, please.